Alrighty, everybody. Washing out the bullseye shirt. Got a whole couple of blues and some lavender on there, yeah.
Some lavender in this one. These are always some of the hardest to rinse out because of the big crunch at the bottom.
Right. Kind of just makes a giant dye trap.
I mean, all you can really do is just sort of doesn't have many folds either, like in the part that you can wash out.
Right.
You kind of just sort of gotta.
Most of
your rinsing out on these are the same.
I see. Most of it's tied up and can't really get to it.
Yeah, once I can get that open in the sink, a lot of the dye will come out.
To the inside?
Yep.
To the inside.
Again, that's where most of this washing out will take place. Alright, so this one I'm going to go ahead and start at the bottom, that way I can be getting some of this dye out.
Get the scrunch first, and then work your way up it. But you obviously want to do the large part of the shirt first, that makes sense. Ooh, look at that.
Well, usually I start like, I don't know how to explain it, like from the center of the design. So normally I would start at that end, but
since it's so small, you'd rather start at the end. It's got it on track.
And navy blue is so dark, it holds really well.
Right.
So it always takes a while to wash out. I find with blues, purples and reds, those three, blues, purples, and reds tend to, I guess, stick more, you could say. Like they're a little bit harder to rinse out the excess. It just feels like it keeps going and keeps going and keeps going.
They require additional rinsing.
Or just extra patience with those colors specifically.
Right. Yeah, you don't want to put it in the washer with dye still in it, because then everything you dye will be, or everything you wash, sorry, will be whatever color.
And if you have anything white, like any white spots in your shirt, those will get colored in by the excess color.
It's very important to get all the dye out of them.
When we wash these, I usually don't put them on a very rough cycle. It's usually like either a normal or gentle cycle. Okay, let's see.
Let's see what we got. Ooh.
Interesting.
Nice. That looks really good.
You like it?
Yeah. The other side. Yeah. Man, that looks good. Look at all the purple.
It looks like a blue eclipse.
It does. Yeah, that looks really good. Oh, yeah.
Like a blue eclipse.
That's so cool.
See, there's so much white in this shirt, I wonder if it'll still be white when we get it out of the washer. I guess we'll see.
We'll find out. And here's the final result. Check that out. Really nice blue and lavender bullseye. Got some good lavender in there. Oh yeah, mixed with the baby blue, or the sky blue, sorry. Oh yeah. That came out pretty good, I think. Something a little bit different. It looks pretty good. Check it out. It'll be for sale on Etsy. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.